Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable or disable search highlight on your Windows 11 start menu. So as you can see guys, in my start menu, search highlight feature was already enabled. Just I want to disable it. To do this guys, first you need to open the settings, hold Windows key button and press I. So this is the shortcut key to open your Windows 11 settings. After opening the settings, in the left panel you can get the option privacy and security. Just click and open it. Okay, and in the right panel scroll down like this. Here you can get the option search permissions. Just click and open it, and here guys scroll down at the end you can get the option show search highlights. If you want to disable it, just you need to turn off this option. That's it. Now as you can see guys, search highlight feature was not disabled in my start menu. In case if you want to enable it, just you need to turn on this option. That's it. Very simple. So this is the easy and very simple method to do this guys. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.